so cool, huh?
The prototype I
Oh, well, that's good. That's all process of learning.
Wow, you had to do prototypes too.
flew. Yeah.
I know.
Want a race?
Want a race?
Jonah.
What, in my car or the kid?
I'm gonna use this for my mile run.
You should, and then attach snacks